Hi Zaida. Fine, your ID is here. Wakachiwa wa Mr. Karim.
Mr. Karim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Mr. Karim, thank you so much. I don't know how I can appreciate you, but thanks for being a trusted person. You know, for me, I call you the chosen, because you were chosen for us Africans who are in UAE to stand for us. Thank you for being a trusted person. Thank you for being patient for me. I finally got my ID. I'm no longer a local.
Congratulations.
I'm now someone who, now I'm going to be free. I'm free now. Not I'm going to be free. I'm free now. I can move to any place I want to go without panicking, without getting fear that maybe someone may find me, maybe the police may catch me. Thank you, the chosen. The chosen. I call you the chosen. My brother from Uganda, not from Pakistan. Now you are Ugandan, right, Mr. Karim?
He's no longer in Pakistan.
Mr. Karim, this is my ID. I got it. Even though I didn't find you, but I found my sister here, your assistant. So this is my ID. I got it. My sisters who are there who wants to yabagala okukola ku visa zammwe mujje. Mr. Karim is a trusted person. Bannange abagala okukola ku visit visa freelancer mujje wano wa Mr. Karim. Bannange is really a trusted person.